Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn writing words using given clues. See some sample questions. First question is, choose the correct alternatives from the given sentences. The boy in the picture is. Look at that picture. In that pictures, what is that boy is doing? The options 4 are given. That is, first one is picking up flowers. Second one is sowing the seeds. Third one is watering the plants. Fourth one is observing the leaves. In that picture, so we can clearly see that that boy is watering the plant. So the third option is the right option for that question. I hope you may understand that. See second question, that is observe the picture and point out the odd thing. Here has given the picture of lion, and in that picture you have to observe that picture carefully, and in that pictures there is one thing that is odd, which thing the lion has not. See the option. First option is trunk to the lion, second option is mane to the lion, third option is tail to the lion, and fourth option is whisker of lion. If you see carefully or look carefully towards that picture, then we can see that the lion has mane, the lion has tail, the lion has whisker, but the lion has not trunk in a real picture. So in that pictures there, that odd thing as adding to that lion is that is trunk to the lion. So the option first is the for that question, that is trunk to the lion. See the third questions. The picture shows. Look at that picture. What we can see, there are cloud. One boy is taking umbrella, and one bird is in that picture. See option summer season, rainy season, winter season, and autumn season. In that pictures we can clearly see that or recognize that it is the picture of rainy season. So the second option is for that question, that is rainy season. Fourth one is it is cup and saucer, then what is knife and dash. The options are spade, bowl, ladder, fork. The fork is the options answer option for that, because fork, we know that generally some peoples use fork with a knife while eating, so that fork is the option answer option for that fourth one. Fifth one, my mother dash delicious cake. The options are bakes, boils, cooks, fries. The answer of that option is bakes, because as cookings, boiling and frying are not related with the preparation of making cake, but baking is must for making a cake. That means while making, that times baking is must came, so that because in that option or in that question, the mother is making delicious cake. So instead of that making, here is bakes came, because in our options there are not given make. Here has given bakes, boils, cooks and fries. That bakes is the option for fifth one. Sixth one, find out the odd words from the given clue which is not related to washing process. See, first option, rinse, iron, spin, dry. The odd or which is related not related to washing process, the option is iron, because rinse, spin and dry are words which describes procedure of washing clothes, but ironing is the process which we do after washing the clothes. That means when we wash the cloth, the times first this process comes, that is rinse, spin and dry, but after washing clothes the ironing is came, so that that option is not related with that question. Iron. Iron. Seventh one is, read the following extract and choose the alternatives which is not related with the extract. See, twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. See, the options rhyme, rhythm, music, prose. The above extract is explanation. See, the above extract is a poem. You know that this is the poem. It has a rhyme such as star R. If you have seen that in that 4 lines, there are the rhyme scheme. Rhyme, that is rhyme scheme, star R, high, sky. We can sing these poems in a proper note, so it has music and rhythm too. That poem has music and rhythm because this poem we can sing in a proper tone, but this poem has not a structure or formation of sentence. So fourth option is here, that is prose. Then see, 8 one, a girl is gazing through dash. Options, microscope, telescope, horoscope, bioscope. See the explanation for that. The option is, second option is correct option for that, because telescope is the correct option, because it is used for stargazing. See the meaning of other options, that is microscope. You know that microscopes in Marathi we called Sukshmadarshak Yantra, and so we know that telescope, that means durbins, which is we used to gauge the stars through that telescope. And third option is horoscope, that means the Marathi meaning of that word is Janma Kundali. And fourth option is bioscope, Marathi meaning of that word is Jiva Vidyan. So the right option is that telescope. Ninth one, choose from the alternatives a word which doesn't explain the action word to see. See, choose from the alternatives which word a word which doesn't explain the action word to see. Options, to watch, to peep, to look after, to observe. See, third option is incorrect answer. This is third option is correct answer for that, because this is incorrect answer. Why? To look after means to take care. it is not related with the action word to see. So that is to look after. This option is right for that question. 10th one, choose the correct options from the given alternatives. We get electricity from dash dash. Solar cooker, windmill, rain, vermiculture. We get electricity from windmill. The second option is right for that, because it is scientifically proved that we get electricity from windmill. Solar cooker, rain and vermicultures do not produce electricity directly. 11th one, choose the correct alternative that shows the correct meaning of the underlined word. Aniket always keeps his promise. He is a man of word. Option: trustworthy, trustless, cannot trust, trusty. See the option. The right option is that first one is that it's trustworthy, because the meaning of the phrase is trustworthy. Rest of the three options are incorrect. What trustworthy, that is means विश्वासार्ह in मराठी, जो की ज्याच्यावरती विश्वास ठेवू शकतो असा. If you understand that sentence, that is Aniket always keeps his promise. Why Aniket keeps his promise? Because he is a man of words. That means he is loyal or loyal for the trust. Others can trust on him. That's why this option trustworthy is right. If you are consider that is trustless or cannot trust or trusty, these are the incorrect for him. So last one, see, choose the correct alternative that shows the correct meaning of the underlined phrase. In order to achieve his goal and obtain success, he pulled his socks off. Without options, without effort, to wait for an opportunity. Third one, to try casually, to work hard. Fourth option is correct, that is to work hard, because underlined phrase is related to work hard. With other options, sentence becomes meaningless. We are consider other options with that sentence, they are meaningless for that phrase. So the correct phrase is that to work hard. I hope students you may understand this lecture. Thank you.